Hello, I'm Andrew. I mostly like outdoor things, but today's challenge is going to be a plumbing challenge. I'll show you what the problem is. This is the cold tap, the normal cold tap, and this is the hot tap. That's maximum. It's a little bit sad there's not very much coming out. I've seen this problem before with the cold tap, and I think I know what we're going to do. We're going to, this is what's inside the tap, and this bit here has got stuck in an open position. What we're going to try and do is whip this out quickly and replace it with one that is not stuck in an open position. The bad news is that the sink does not have an isolator valve, and the hot water down service in the loft is permanently welded open, so there's going to be some pressure. I've tried to use up all the hot water, so it hopefully won't be boiling water under pressure that we're getting squirted with today, but the objective is going to be to change the part as quickly as possible before we hurt ourselves or flood the kitchen. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so I found a wrench with a longer handle and slightly better fitting than IKEA's wrench, and I've managed to shave a little bit off the corner of the brass, but no real progress. Okay, so I've poured some boiling water on it, and hoping that it will heat the outer bit up more than the inner bit. It does seem to have done the trick, so this might be the fun part. Yes, here we go. This is going to start getting hot the longer I leave it running. Just like that. see how that goes now. Hot water goes on, hot water turns off. It's a little bit tighter. Not as tight as it was on before. If I ever have to do it again, that was really hard. Go a tiny bit more. There you go. Who wanted to go boating today anyway? May as well put the nice clean new that bit. Good, happy with that. Well, that was exciting. I think that will do. Time for another cup of tea.